Hi there. In this video, we'll be discussing a very important topic. But before we get started, I just wanted to remind you that at the end of the video, be sure to check out the comments section for a link to more information. Thanks for watching.
In this video, we are going to study fan coils or convector fans in just 5 minutes. We are going to answer the following questions. What is a fan coil and its difference with a split-type air conditioner? How does it work, and what are the parts of the fan coil or convector fan? What are the types of fan coils according to their location and configuration? What are the main advantages of the convector fan or fan coil? What are the calculations associated with a fan coil or convector fan? Stay with us and remember to subscribe to our channel. A fan coil or convector fan is a device used in residential, commercial and industrial air conditioning, which basically has a battery or hot or cold exchanger and a fan. The fan coil belongs to the water-air air conditioning systems. This equipment can generate cold or heat air depending on whether it is fed with ice water or hot water. What is the difference between a fan coil and a split air conditioner? The main difference between the two is that the fan coil is a water-air unit in which water circulates through the pipes as a coolant. The fan coil does not produce cold or heat, but receives it from the water, while the split is a system. Air in whose pipes refrigerant gas circulates and a compression refrigeration system works that produces its own cold or heat. How does the fan coil or convector fan work? A. For their operation, the fan coils or fan convectors have a heat exchange battery through which hot or cold water circulates. B. The fan coil has a fan that drives the air to circulate through the exchanger, thus producing heat transfer. C. They also require an outdoor unit, from which they receive refrigerated water from a chiller, or hot water from a heat pump, which must circulate through the units of the rooms to be air conditioned. D. These devices also have a filter to remove contaminant particles before expelling the air. E. It has a condensation tray to collect the water condensed by the air, which comes from heat exchange. F. Normally, with these types of devices, the thermostat is used to regulate the temperature. G. The fan coil are connected to a network of pipes that are responsible for bringing the water. Very close to the fan coil in these pipes, there is the pressure-independent flow regulating valve, water filters, manual valve, and the bypass circuit. What are the types of fan coil according to your location? Regarding the type of device or unit, the fan coils can be 1. Floor fan coil. 2. Wall fan coil. 3. Ceiling fan coil. 4. Duct fan coil. 5. Cassette fan coil. What are the fan coil types according to their configuration? Depending on the type of installation used, a distinction can also be made between 1. 2-pipe fan coil. In this type of installation, we find a pipe to go and another to return. Hot and cold water passes through both pipes, depending on whether the equipment is working cold or hot. 2. 4-pipe fan coil. In this type of installation, 2 pipes are used to go and return for hot water and another 2 for cold water. It is a more expensive type of installation than the previous one, but it is especially suitable in buildings, where areas that require heating can occur at the same time, while others require cooling, due to the orientation of the property, its degree of occupancy, etc. What are the main advantages of fan with vectors or fan coils? The main advantages provided by systems with fan coils or fans with vectors are A. It is one of the most efficient air conditioning systems. B. Applicable both in the residential, commercial and industrial fields. C. Ideal for large spaces. D. They are equipment that require little space and easy installation. E. Adaptable to various technologies such as heat pump, with which it will provide both cold and heat. F. Easily integrated into systems based on renewable energy. What are the calculations associated with a fan coil or fan with vectors? In general, the conditions that we must know are A. For every ton of cooling, the fan coil fan must handle a airflow close to 400 cubic feet of air. B. The difference in water temperature between the inlet and the outlet is 10 degrees Fahrenheit or 5 degrees Celsius circa for each refrigeration ton that the fan coil is handling. A flow rate close to 2.4 gallons per minute of water must circulate. At this moment a link is appearing to a video that will surely interest you. You can go watch it and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for joining us.